Hi, are you feeling overwhelmed or uncertain about embarking on the homeschooling journey? Well, look no further. I'm Lorraine Cruz, also known as Lori Inspires on social media. And as a single mom of three daughters from the vibrant city of New York, I understand the unique needs and concerns you may have as a parent. I've triumphed over challenges, continued my education even while homeschooling, and successfully balanced work from home responsibilities. Drawing from my experiences, I have poured my expertise into creating a practical roadmap for your homeschooling adventure. That's why I wrote the comprehensive ebook guide, Breaking Free: How to Transition from Public School to Homeschooling Your Child. In my ebook, I offer a straightforward approach with no unnecessary fluff. I firmly believe in experiential learning, going beyond textbooks to equip students with real world skills. Throughout the book, I provide insightful strategies and ideas to implement experiential learning, allowing your child to actively engage with their environment and develop a deeper understanding of the world around them. Navigating the legalities of homeschooling can often be daunting, but fear not. Within the pages of my ebook, you also will find a step-by-step tutorial on how to navigate the homeschooling regulations specific to all 50 states. I have adopted a common sense approach, making the process accessible and understandable for every parent. To ensure your homeschooling journey is filled with confidence and creativity, I furnish you with a wealth of materials, methods, and ideas. You will discover comprehensive lesson plans for each of 8 homeschooling approaches, allowing you to tailor your child's education to their unique learning style and interests. Additionally, I provide practical examples of forms, a calendar to keep you organized, and the work pages that are ready to be incorporated into your homeschool routine. I am proud to share that also while homeschooling my children, I earned my high school diploma equivalency. My journey has been one of growth and learning, and I am excited to pass on my knowledge to you, whether you are a new homeschooler or seeking a fresh inspiration. My ebook has you covered. From the 12 different ways the children learn to teaching strategies, a list of accredited homeschool curricula, templates for lessons and scheduling, and examples of lesson plans for every subject. This book is your comprehensive resource. So visit our homeschooljourney.com, your ultimate destination for homeschooling resources, to secure your copy of my ebook, How to Transition from Public School to Homeschooling Your Child today. Let this trusted companion be your guide as you embark on a rewarding journey that will shape your child's future while nurturing your own remarkable abilities as a dedicated homeschooling parent. Also, when you purchase the ebook, you will also be granted to our homeschool community, where I provide more sources, one-on-one support for free with video demonstrations and tutorials. The ebook will be sent in 2 formats, one for easy reading on your digital device and another for printing if you'd like to use some of the pages for reference and guidance. And don't forget to check out my other website, createyourownopportunity.com, for product recommendations, homeschooling, and parenting blogs. Follow me on TikTok at Lori_inspires for more inspiration. Together, let's make your homeschooling journey a success.